Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you how to go live on Facebook. I am going to show you how to do this on mobile, but if you would like another video on how to do this on desktop, then just let me know in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Louise of solopreneursidekick.com. I put out new videos every single week all about making the tech in your online business easy. So if that is something that you need help with, make sure that you hit subscribe. All right, so here's how to go live on Facebook. All right, so first things first, you're going to want to make sure that you have the Facebook page app. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to click Publish. And then you'll see this little video camera icon with like an eye in it. So click on that, and then you're going to click Live Video again. Hello. Okay, this is a mega close-up. Okay, so then what this is going to do is give you a few different options. For your standard live video, you're just going to want to go with this first option here. But Facebook does give you a few different options for masks. So if you want to go live with a mask like this, you can. And if I click change theme and go over, I can get even more. This is hilarious. Okay, so I'm gonna click change theme and go back to the regular version, but just know, if you want to do a live with a mask on, you absolutely can. All right, so I'm gonna click live video there, and now I'm just going to type in a description. Sorry for all the bouncing around. So I'm going to type in going live. All right, and then what I like to do, I do like to rest it up on something so that I'm not bouncing all over the place. Okay, great. Fix your hair. Okay, so then when you're ready to go live, all that you need to do is click Start Live Video. All right, so then you are live, and you'll be able to see that because it tells you top left in the red there. So then as people come on, you'll be able to see a number right there next to live. So we know that one person is watching. It might be my fiance who I'm making help me demo this right now. So yeah, and then comments are going to come up right at the bottom there, which is great. You can respond to people and be like, hi Nathan. And yeah, so that's pretty great. And once you are done with your live, you're just going to click finish. Okay, great. So then once you're done, you can either choose to post or delete this. So I'm just going to delete this, and that's it. That's all that you need to do in order to go live. All right guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And of course, I would love it if you subscribed to my channel. I hope that this encourages you to do more lives because they can be really great for growing your online business. So good luck with those, and I'll see you guys soon.